I asked 3 questions in the focus group that we ran. I said, if you could instrument your factory up with sensors, Industry 4.0, where would you put them? And it wasn't about the sensors or where they would put them, but it informed us, my co-founder and I, it informed us about where they needed information. Where did it come from? What kinds of information do you need? And it got them talking about how they manage their business. The second question I asked them was, if you had to correlate the data between sensors, what correlations would you want to see? And they said, well, that's interesting, right? If I've got coolant issues over here, I've got filtration issues here, if I've got inbound chiller water coming in over there, ambient temperatures that are out of control, it's more than just a machine utilization number. It now becomes the virtualization of the entire factory. And this digital twin concept is more than just a digital twin of a part. It's a digital twin of the entire environment. And the third question I asked was, now that you have all this correlation data, how does it impact your business decision-making and the things that are KPIs for your business? What are your KPIs for your business? So again, it wasn't about sensors. It wasn't about correlation studies. It wasn't about KPIs. It was about, I need to get in the customer's mind to understand how he or she thinks about running their business.